Hey everyone, welcome back to another CineGeeks Trailer Talk. I'm Roy,
And Angela.
and for this video, we are going to be watching and reacting to possibly one of the most anticipated films this year, and that's Spider-Man Brand New Day. Yes, still starring Tom Holland, pero kasama na niya ngayon dito si Sadie Sink, si John Berntal. Alam ko dito pa rin si Mark Ruffalo as the Hulk. Zendaya, of course, and si Jacob Batalon. Sige, huwag natin patagalin pa. Let's watch the trailer right now.
I can't believe our first hit in my team.
First day ng MIT, So, Ned and MJ are in MIT na.
I can't.
Can't be happy? Why?
Just talk na lang siya sa social media.
Oo. So, same universe pa rin sila. Okay. Oh, this is a whole shot.
Anong first time may ganung angle?
Oo nga eh.
Hi, my name is Peter
Okay.
Parker.
Hi, Peter.
You don't remember me,
Ah.
but we used to know each other.
Oh.
Something bad was gonna happen, and the only way to stop it was to make everyone forget
Okay.
about
Oh, di pa? Parang sila ba?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi baka
Because I'm not
beshi
just
lang pa
Peter
nila.
Parker.
Okay.
I'm Spider-Man.
Of course.
Okay.
Uy!
Oh!
Oh!
Yes! Yes! Punisher!
Oh! Oh! Okay.
Sometimes Spider-Man has to do the hard
Okay.
work, even if it breaks Peter Parker's heart.
Ayun.
Si Tony, si Tony Revolore na yung jowa ni MJ?
Parang hindi.
Ayun,
Mukha lang yata.
Kamukha lang, okay. Oh, parang siya na, ano?
Wala.
Hindi. Oh, wait.
Wow!
Wait.
Mata. The ass.
Did he become just like Toby Peter Parker?
I need your help.
What did you say your name was?
Hindi ba rin siya kilala?
If DNA is mutating, it could be enormously dangerous.
Magiging Toby ano na siya?
Spiders have three
Ah,
Okay,
life
okay.
May...
When between cycles,
Ah!
it can leave the spider vulnerable.
Keith David yung boss ah.
We are faced with a danger that we can't control.
Oh!
One we can't
Oh.
even see. Stay out of my way.
You're losing it, kid.
And for those spiders who make it through, it amounts to a kind of
Wow!
Oh!
rebirth.
Oh, shit.
What a shot!
Nice flowers.
Oh, they're housewarming.
I'm MJ.
I'm just a neighbor from across
Ah!
Friendly.
Oh!
Haha.
Nice, nice.
Okay. Sige, first
That was
off.
a lot.
First off. Nakuha mo ba yung parang vibe na magiging parang Tobey Maguire Peter Parker na siya?
Yung hindi talaga sa ano niya.
Hindi na yung dito na wrists, oo.
Eh, di maganda naman talaga siya.
Siya, hindi.
Gumawa siya talaga ng parang...
Oo, gumawa
si
siya.
Andrew Garfield yun.
Gumawa silang dalawa ni Andrew Garfield yung meron silang parang thing na nagagawa ng web. Pero si Toby yung, galing talaga sa katawan
pusa
niya.
oo.
Oo. So nagiging ganun na siya.
Pwede.
Nag-i-evolve, sabi nga. Voiced by, kung na-recognize nyo, si Keith David, siya yung, alam mo yung, kilala ko yung actor na yun. Parang ganun siya lagi.
Yeah.
Nasa community.
Mm.
Yes, we love him there. Narrate niya na parang, oh my God, Peter is evolving.
As like a spider. Parang
Oo,
gano'n. The life
talaga.
cycle of a spider.
True.
So, I am gonna research mamaya pag uwi ko.
At isa pa, yung doon sa scene na parang yung may tangke, excuse me, nung parang binuksan niya yung tangke, tapos may babae dun sa loob. Tapos yung mga police, parang biglang ganun bigla.
Sino?
May nakatalikod na parang babae na nagko-control. Pili ko, yun yung si Sadie Sink. And,
Pero old siya.
hindi, ha? Parang old.
Parang old
Hindi,
woman
wala
yung
yung,
nasa loob eh.
wala yung babae sa loob, pero yung nagko-control ng mga police sa labas.
Oh.
May rumor na Sadie Sink is playing Jean Grey.
Akala ko
The
sino
Jean
siya.
Grey. Hindi siya kalaban, hindi siya Sino?
Yung parang another universe Mary Jane.
Hindi.
Kasi di ba parang red hair.
Hindi. Parang semi-confirmed rumors na siya na Sadie Sink is playing Jean Grey. And may rumor na ang parang plot point or parang story nitong Brand New Day is
Mutants.
of course mutants, pero the Punisher aka Frank Castle, John Berntal is actually protecting Jean Grey. So yun ang mission niya. So parang kaya sila nagtagpo ni Spider-Man is because yun nga yung paths nila are crossing kasi the Punisher needs to protect Jean Grey
Yeah.
and Jean Grey is wreaking havoc in New York.
Okay.
Okay.
Or parang Frank Castle is protecting New York from Jean Grey.
Pwede din. Okay, one more. Of course, the Hulk is here. Pero parang Bruce
Pero
Banner
si
siya.
Dr. Banner na siya and hindi niya rin kilala.
Si ano pa? What did you say your name was? So parang may nakakaalala pa din.
Pero parang medyo knowing yung mga look ni MJ no? Parang napapansin ko parang there's something na parang missing in her life.
Yung sa tinanong siya parang, oh, first day ng MIT.
Very melancholic yung ano eh.
Tapos sabi sa kanya, are you happy? Not really. Miss na yan ba? Yun nga, tama ka doon. Talagang alam niya na ano.
O di kaya yun? Possible kaya na maalala pa rin siya ni MJ? Parang yun yung gusto kong malaman.
Pwede. Gamitin natin. Malay mo, nasa powers ni Jean Grey yun.
Natatawa ako kasi si Peter parang it's giving si Joe Goldberg yung sa You.
Na
Yung
ano?
si Penn Badgley.
Kasi,
Sinustok niya yung friends niya.
ganun ba yung ano niya? Oo. Pero parang mukhang doon sa dulo pinakita na na parang magkakausap na sila ni Ned. Or at least nakapag
Parang nakapasok na ulit siya dun sa friend group or they're trying to be friends.
kaya siya na-invite doon sa doon sa party. Oo.
It's a friendly neighbor.
Friendly neighbor, Spider-Man. Pero yeah, I guess those are the most important things na napansin natin doon sa trailer. Spider-Man Brand New Day comes out this July. So sa sobrang bilis ng panahon, paggising na natin kinabukasan Spider-Man na. Yeah, so kayo, are there any other things that you caught in the trailer?
Things you might have missed.
Yes, comment below and let us know. Okay, so for this Cinegeeks trailer talk, I'm Roy.
And Angela.
We'll see you in the next one.
Tananan, tananan.